What's up guys, it's John from John Mood. Good to see you again for another tutorial about the Iris mobile filter system from PolarPro. Inside this box you get the ND8, ND16 and ND32. When you open it, you have this nice small case and also a small tutorial of how to install it on your phone. And in the other side they recommend you to use it with some application like FiLMiC Pro, because you can manually adjust your shutter speed and your ISO. They also give you some tips. When you open the case you got your filters with the mount, and like always with PolarPro they fit really good in the case and the mount feels really solid. As you see, you can adjust the mount for your phone, so even if you have a phone case like this you can put it really easily, and you can switch between all the filters really fast like this without forcing. And as you see, it fits really good on your phone, and you can put your phone in your pocket like this with the box too, because the box is really small and you can have everything always with you. I recommend you to use this with some stabilizer like the Osmo Mobile or some other one as you want. I think for cinematic look you need a stabilizer to film with your phone. So now let's open FiLMiC Pro. I'm filming in 4K 30, ISO 100 and shutter speed 160s, and it's really overexposed. So first I'm gonna put the ND8. It's really much better but still overexposed. So let's put the ND16 and see the difference. Okay, it's better, but as you can see it's still overexposed. Let's put the ND32. So okay, now it's really great. And even if you put everything in auto, you will see that your ISO gonna stay low. As you can see, even if I look the sky or the ground, my ISO stay really low and my shutter speed stay at 160s, so it's a really good thing. Thank you PolarPro for this great product, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the channel. See you guys.